Namaskar, I am Vedic Astro Kedar Mahadik, Jyotish Pandit, Pune. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing every field today. But can it truly replace the ancient, mystical, and spiritual science of astrology? Astrology is not merely a subject of intellect. It is a divine science that requires spiritual vision, intense practice, profound intuition, and divine blessings. This spiritual essence is something AI can never attain. AI-generated horoscopes, compatibility reports for matchmaking, and general astrological predictions based on software calculations are readily available. However, does this mean that AI can become as precise and insightful as an experienced astrologer? Let us explore this truth. AI has clear limitations in astrology. It cannot comprehend human emotions, life struggles, karmic cycles, or spiritual energies. AI-generated predictions lack the depth of personal connection, faith, love, and empathy. It does not understand an individual's unique circumstances or past experiences. Astrology is a divine and profound science, and AI lacks the spiritual power to grasp it. An experienced astrologer sees far beyond numbers and calculations. He understands accumulated destiny, past karmas, and favorable or unfavorable time periods, providing precise guidance accordingly, something AI can never achieve. But the spiritual dimension of astrology is beyond AI's reach, and this is the most crucial aspect. No matter how intelligent a person may be, without divine grace, one can never become a true astrologer. The same applies to AI. A gifted astrologer is inspired by higher spiritual energies and guided by a divine connection. AI cannot analyze the accumulated karmas of past births, spiritual deaths, or karmic patterns. Only a spiritually empowered astrologer can provide personalized, effective remedies. Astrology is a Vedanga, an integral part of the sacred Vedas, attained through the intense penance of sages' cosmic grace and divine blessings over thousands of years in the Indian subcontinent. AI can never fully acquire this sacred knowledge. Artificial intelligence is merely a system designed to process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and perform rapid calculations. It can instantly compute horoscopes and mathematically analyze planetary transits. However, only a spiritually awakened astrologer can truly study and interpret them. AI can assist astrologers, but it can never replace them. Astrology is a sacred science that operates through divine blessings. Without divine grace, neither humans nor AI can deliver pure and accurate predictions. Astrology is an awakened intuition bestowed upon an astrologer only through divine favor. Thus, all astrologers must remain steadfast in their path of spiritual discipline and strengthen their practice through devotion and wisdom. The future of enlightened astrologers who guide others toward a successful destiny is undoubtedly bright. Wishing you all immense success on this divine, mystical, and sacred path of astrology.